Here we go. Here's our finished product. Look at the window. Nice clean cuts. No overcuts. Let's unlatch the window. Open it up. Our windows have screens. Window opens up. Full 90. That's our standard window. That's a 30 by 48 casement window. It's a double pane, made by Monarch Materials Group. Yes. That's the manufacturer of our well, our ladder, and our window. So this side, this is what would happen in an unfinished basement. So that's the end of what we do on this job. Close up the window. Give me a minute and I'll take you outside and we'll show you how the outside looks.